What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to film balloon pop in slow motion. But to spice things up, make it even more interesting, I'm going to put some flour powder inside of the balloon, so whenever it pops in slow motion we can will see the powder, hopefully the silhouette of it. Okay guys, it's finally sunny, so I can actually do this experiment. I got here powder inside there, the flour, and then I'm gonna blow it up till it pops. I actually hit my face a little. Woo! Yeah, definitely have to wear glasses because it slapped me right here. It hurts. So blowing up balloons, maybe you should wear safety glasses just in case. Okay, the slow motion looked amazing and the powder was a great idea. I have not seen on the internet balloon being popped like that ever. So what I'm gonna do now is film it at 62,000 frames per second, and then we'll do it one more time at 100,000 frames per second, because this is one of a kind. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, we're gonna do this again at 62,000 frames per second. That's loud! Woo! That's insane! So scary! Okay, one more time at 100,000 frames per second. It's so loud every time. It's so scary, and I don't know why it takes so long to pop. The strongest balloon ever. Oh man, this is hard. I didn't expect it. It's so loud. I should have ear protection. Oh, what a mess. Hopefully it will look good in slow motion.